progress report not what you expected? Here's your recovery plan. Has your child's progress report raised some concerns? Maybe they're struggling in math, finding science challenging, or needing extra support in English. The good news is, a progress report isn't the end of the story. It's an opportunity to identify learning gaps and build a plan before the next school year. In Alberta, progress reports help parents understand how students are progressing, not just where they're falling behind. If your child isn't meeting expectations, don't panic. Instead, ask these 3 questions. Which concepts are still confusing? Where has confidence started to drop? What support will help them succeed next year? First, identify where you struggled. Was it math, science, English? Instead of reviewing everything, focus on the specific topics that were most challenging. Knowing your learning gaps is the first step toward improving. Next, rebuild your foundation. Many students struggle because they missed important concepts earlier in the year. The summer break is the perfect time to strengthen those fundamentals without the pressure of exams or homework. Finally, create a simple weekly routine. Even 30 to 45 minutes of focused learning a few days each week can make a big difference. Learning consistently is far more effective than trying to catch up all at once. So let's summarize. This is your summer recovery checklist. Review your progress report. Identify your weakest topics. Study 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. Practice instead of just reading. Ask for help when you're stuck. Set one goal before school starts in September. At NewEra Coaching Center, we help students strengthen their foundations, build confidence, and prepare for the next school year. Math K-12, Science K-12, English up to grade 9. In-person tutoring in Edmonton, online tutoring available across Canada. If you'd like personalized guidance, contact us today to enroll. Let's make this summer the start of a stronger school year.